While we will not be able to create electronic orders at Go Live, we will be able to review existing and historical orders by clicking on the Order button once you have selected the patient record in the list, or when you're working in the chart or documenting. And again, you can toggle between current and historical orders here. While in the patient chart, you also have access to an external application through the menu, which gives you access to Connecting Ontario. Several other important menu links available while working in the chart are Compose Message. This allows us to create a clinical message within the chart with a certain subject to a series of providers looking after that patient, which you can select from the entire hospital database. When you are the recipient of messages, these appear under the Other tab in Workload. MEDITECH also allows you to manage typicals. This essentially allows you to create multiple templated reports without having to be in the documentation section of the chart. Launching the chart viewer allows you to launch a secondary tab. This is very helpful. When you work on a single screen, you can click on it and pull it away, which will create another browser window. With two browser windows open, you can Alt-Tab between the two windows. This would allow you to document or review orders while also reviewing the chart. If you have a second screen, you can pull one of these browsers to the second screen. You can also arrange the browsers on the same screen